Have you ever pondered the mystery of solving a cube? Today, we unravel this enigma. The cube, with its 6 faces, each bearing 9 stickers of a distinct color, might seem daunting at first glance. However, with a systematic approach, anyone can master the art of solving it. First and foremost, understand that the cube has 3 types of pieces: corners, edges, and the center. The corners have 3 colors, edges 2, and the center 1. Remember, the center pieces dictate the color of each face. Start by solving the first layer, choosing a color to begin with. For our purposes, imagine starting with white. Find the white edge pieces and align them with the corresponding center colors. Once done, locate the white corner pieces and match them to their relevant colors. This completes the first layer. Moving on to the second layer, find the edge pieces without the color you started with. In our case, white. Position these pieces and use a specific algorithm, which we'll refer to as Algorithm 1, to correctly place them. This might require several iterations, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Now, on to the final layer. This is where things get a bit tricky. The aim here is to make the entire top face a single color. This is achieved by applying what we'll call Algorithm 2 until you have a solid color on top. With the top face solved, it's time to fix the corners. Position the pieces using Algorithm 3, making sure the corner colors match the center pieces. Now, only the edge pieces remain. For the final step, correctly position the edge pieces using Algorithm 4. This might also require several iterations, but once done, you've solved the cube. To summarize, solving a cube involves understanding its structure, solving it layer by layer, and using specific algorithms to position different pieces. You start with the first layer, move to the second, and finally tackle the third. Remember, practice is key in mastering the cube. It might seem complicated at first, but with time and perseverance, you'll be solving the cube in no time. So grab a cube, follow these steps, and unlock a world of fun and mental exercise. Happy cubing!